In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the app and then how to get started. So first of all, go to the App Store, download the app. Once it's ready, click open. Once it's loaded up, we'll be on this main menu screen. We can see all the languages that we can currently learn on the app, and then underneath that we've got a few more buttons. Starting right at the bottom is the tutorial button. If you click on that, you'll be taken to some pages on the website where you can access more of these tutorial videos about how to use the app, how to learn using the method, and the different features on the app. Above that, there's the connect button. That'll guide you towards the website and the blog, and also social media channels to follow and stay up to date with what's going on. There's the resources button, which will take you to another page, which will have extra material on it to support your learning. There's the games button and the dashboard section of the app. We'll talk about those in a future video. Right at the top is the cog button, so we're going to click on that for now. Here we can see an audio settings page, and this is used when we're learning words themselves. So if you saw the previous video about how to learn using the method, this isn't something that we touched on. But we're going to go into a little bit more detail now, and as you watch the other videos, you'll see how it operates and can be used. So we've got the English word section and the translation section. You can select the accent that a word plays out loud to you. You can also adjust the playback speed. The same for the translation. Now this can be really key when you're trying to learn a language, because different sounds, different accents, different paces of speaking can really impact our understanding and learning. So that's it. I just wanted to point out this section of the app so that when we look at future videos, we know it's there, we can go back to it, and we can have a better learning experience.